Zinc Our Toys here, and today I'm showing you the Bert and Ernie's Tune-Up Garage. Also sold separately are these Sesame Street racers. Hey guys, let's go down the slide! Woohoo! Wah. Yay! Ow! Oh no, Ernie, take bad fall. Ernie, are you okay? I think Rubber Ducky hurt a tire. Don't worry, Ernie, Elmo will take you to the garage. Come on, Cookie Monster, help me push Ernie to the garage. Hey guys, I don't want to complain, but you could have put my car right side up before you started pushing me. Sorry, Ernie, Elmo won't do that again. Let me ring the bell and we can get your tire fixed. Oh, they're opening up the garage. Let's back up. Wait, Cookie thought this was Bert and Ernie's garage. Pit stop. Welcome, Ouija will get you new tires, Drive on in my garage. Pit stop. Gee there, thank you, Guido. You did a terrific job. Do you need help with that door? Pit stop. Elmo low on gas. Let's get gas. Hey guys, Cookie found cool lift. Oh wow, a little wobbly. Ah. Oh, silly Cookie Monster, let me try. Be careful, Ernie. See, easy does it. I can do anything in my rubber ducky. Quack, quack, quack. Hey guys, look, there's a cool turntable up here. Well, time to slide down. Oh, not again. Thanks for watching and have a great day.